Today, we're pitting two titans against each other. Shopify, the undisputed king of e-commerce platforms, and AliDropship, a powerful WordPress plugin specifically designed for AliExpress dropshipping. Both offer compelling solutions, but they cater to very different needs and preferences. So if you're a budding entrepreneur or even an experienced dropshipper looking to optimize your operations, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which platform is the perfect fit for your dropshipping journey. Let's break down the core components of a successful dropshipping business and see how Shopify and AliDropship stack up in each category. First, let's talk ease of use and setup. For many beginners, this is a make or break factor. Shopify is renowned for its user-friendliness. It's a hosted platform, meaning they handle all the technical heavy lifting, hosting, security, updates, you name it. You simply sign up, pick a theme, add your products, often with one-click imports from various apps like Ceres or Spocket, and you're good to go. Their intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes customizing your store a breeze, even if you have zero coding experience. You can literally set up a basic store in under 30 minutes. Shopify also offers a free trial and often a promotional period of $1 per month for the first 3 months, allowing you to get a feel for the platform before committing. AliDropship, on the other hand, is a WordPress plugin. This means you need to have a self-hosted WordPress website first. While WordPress itself is widely used, setting up hosting and installing a plugin requires a bit more technical know-how than Shopify's all-in-one solution. However, AliDropship does offer services to help you set up a turnkey website, which can alleviate some of that initial technical burden. Once installed, the AliDropship plugin automates many dropshipping tasks, but the initial setup certainly has a steeper learning curve compared to Shopify. So, if you're looking for the absolute simplest way to get started with minimal technical fuss, Shopify generally wins here. Next up, cost. This is where the battle gets really interesting. Shopify operates on a monthly subscription model. Their basic plan, often the starting point for dropshippers, is around $29 to $39 per month when billed annually or monthly respectively. As your business grows, you might move to higher tier plans like the Shopify plan at $79 per month or the advanced plan at $299 per month, which offer lower transaction fees and more features. On top of the subscription, you'll also incur transaction fees if you use third-party payment providers, typically 2% on the basic plan, dropping to 0.6% on the advanced plan. If you use Shopify payments, these fees are generally lower or non-existent. You might also factor in costs for premium themes or paid apps, which can add up. AliDropship, however, boasts a significant advantage here with its one-time payment for the plugin itself, which is around $89. There are no recurring monthly fees for the plugin. This can translate into significant long-term savings, especially for those on a tight budget. However, remember you'll still need to account for your WordPress hosting costs, which can range from $5 to $20 per month or more, depending on the provider and your website traffic. While AliDropship can be cheaper in the long run, the upfront cost of the plugin plus annual hosting fees might feel like a larger initial investment compared to Shopify's low introductory monthly rate. So if you're thinking long-term and prefer to minimize recurring expenses, AliDropship offers a compelling cost proposition. Now let's talk about features and functionality specific to dropshipping. Both platforms offer robust tools for managing your dropshipping business. Shopify, through its vast app store, integrates seamlessly with popular dropshipping apps like Ceres and Spocket. These apps allow for one-click product imports from platforms like AliExpress, automated order fulfillment, real-time inventory updates, and shipment tracking. Shopify also offers features like abandoned cart recovery, discount codes, SEO tools, and comprehensive analytics to help you grow your business. The sheer breadth of third-party apps means you can find a solution for almost any need, from advanced marketing to customer service. AliDropship is built from the ground up for AliExpress dropshipping. Its core features are directly integrated: one-click product import from AliExpress, automated order fulfillment directly to AliExpress suppliers, auto-updating of product information and pricing, and automatic order tracking with email notifications to customers. It also comes with built-in themes, product variations, discount coupons, and an abandoned cart add-on. Crucially, AliDropship offers a cashback system where you can earn a commission on each purchase from AliExpress, which can be a nice bonus. The plugin also provides in-depth statistics and integrates with various payment gateways. Where AliDropship truly shines is its native integration with AliExpress, streamlining the process specifically for that supplier. Moving on to scalability. As your dropshipping business grows, you'll need a platform that can grow with you. Shopify is built to handle businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Its robust infrastructure ensures fast loading times, even with high traffic volumes. Shopify Plus, their enterprise-level solution, offers even more advanced features for high-volume merchants. The extensive app ecosystem also means you can add more sophisticated tools for marketing, inventory management, and customer service as your needs evolve. Scaling with Shopify is generally seamless, with dedicated support and resources available for growth. AliDropship, being a WordPress plugin, offers scalability tied to your hosting plan. As your traffic increases, you might need to upgrade your hosting to a more powerful server. While WordPress is scalable, managing the technical aspects of a high-traffic site, including server performance and security, falls more on your shoulders or your hosting provider. However, the plugin itself is designed to handle an unlimited number of products, giving you plenty of room to expand your product catalog. For those comfortable with managing a WordPress environment, AliDropship can certainly scale, but it requires a more hands-on approach to infrastructure than Shopify. Finally, let's consider customer support. This is vital when you encounter issues or need guidance. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support via chat, email, and phone across all its plans. They have a vast knowledge base, forums, and a dedicated support team to assist with any platform-related queries. Their support is generally highly regarded for its responsiveness and helpfulness. AliDropship provides lifetime support and updates with the purchase of their plugin. They have a help center and offer support through their contact channels. While their support is available, the nature of a plugin means that some issues might be related to your WordPress installation or hosting, which falls outside of AliDropship's direct responsibility. So while AliDropship offers support for their plugin, Shopify's comprehensive, all-encompassing support for their entire platform can be a comforting safety net for many. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.